one last one on. I think I might do one more. So you can decide to give that to someone, or so push the top down so you have a bigger base so it's easier to stick to the rose. Hi Harper. And here's the dog again. So make sure that's down before you do the final step. Oh, and there goes the leaf. Gotta make sure that leaf is in properly. And you can hold your rose. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a clay rose. And first you just roll out some red clay, and then you grab a circle cookie cutter and you just get some circles. It's up to you how many you want, because that decides how big your rose is. That's all I can get. Okay. And you grab all your little circles. You grab a clay knife, and all you do is cut just a little bit off the end, and that's going to be your petals. I've still got two from when I did my rainbow rose. You want to now curl them all so it's easier to put together. Now you want to put them all together by just pushing on them, making a little connecting area at the end so they don't all fall apart. And that's how you start the first two. By making sure they're connected. Now you gotta keep going around. Don't just put them anywhere. You go around in a circle. Gently push so the petals stay on. And keep going around. And put one last one on. I don't like doing that. And there is the rose. And now you can decide if you want to push the petals back to make it look more realistic. Or you can close it up. So you can decide to give that to someone, or you can put a stem on it with some leaves. So we have this little end. This is going to be the very bottom. You want to close it up. And then there's the top. You want to push that. Push the top down so you have a bigger base, so it's easier to stick to the rose. Hi Harper. So I have a few different leaves as well. I want to use the big ones, or do I want to use the small ones? The big ones are too big for this rose. So I'm going to put on these leaves before I attach the top. So you want to put it on the back, and you just want to push it in to the stalk. That stays on. And if you want it to look good again, just roll all the dents out. And the same for the other one. You want to do this step fast because the final step is the hardest, to make sure it doesn't all collapse. You got to make sure that the stem is heavier than the rose, because my rainbow one that I did can't really hold up because the stem's too long and not as strong as the rose. Now we've got cute little leaves on a stem. And now, just like a real rose, you can decide to poke out sides and then connect that to the rose. But you've got to really make sure that these petals are connected. So you want to push down all the sides. And here's the dog again. It's going to be hard to put the petals back together if they fall off. So make sure that's down before you do the final step. That's to connect, find out where the best spot is and what looks the best. And then you have to go around and connect it without it falling off. And there goes the leaf. Gotta make sure that leaf is in properly. And you can hold your rose. And you can give that to someone. Happy Valentine's Day.
It's a dark night, but you shine so bright. I can see the stars shining through your eyes. Someone else might shine as bright, but they're not you. Just watch them try, 'cause everything happens for a reason, and stars shine every single season. So reach for the stars, shine so bright, go so far. So reach for the stars, shine so bright, go so far. So reach for the stars.